Ethiopian experts have said that China's experience in reforestation and fighting desertification has injected lots of inspiration into Africa, which needs to curb the alarming expansion of the Sahara Desert. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, estimated that by 2030, Africa will lose 2/3 of its arable land if the desertification is not stopped in time.
Africa has to do, strategic intervention, or has to have a strategic approach to combat desertification, because desertification has been becoming, overwhelming in almost all African nations, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa.
The expert said that China's remarkable achievements in restoring its lost lands can help African countries realize their afforestation ambitions. According to the expert, Africa can learn from China, ranging from the promotion of clean energy, climate financing, sharing of technologies to knowledge and practices on landscape restoration.
One of the things which we can also consider as an opportunity is that China has considered the issue of climate change as a very major agenda, and that is really a very good and appreciated development. Unless and otherwise, Ethiopia will promote the use of clean technologies or clean energy technologies. That means that there is no way that we could stop forest degradation or deforestation.
He said that desertification in Africa is mainly caused by fuelwood collection due to lack of access to energy sources, and China can help African countries to develop clean energy mechanisms. Across Africa, China's support is propelling the efforts to promote forestry and mitigate the adverse impacts of climate change. In Ethiopia, China-backed satellites are helping realize the country's aspiration of building an environmentally friendly and climate-resilient economy.
We expect that the utilization of satellite imageries will impact the agricultural sector, including to monitor, also to take the necessary measure in relation to the climate change.
In December 2019, Ethiopia launched its first-ever satellite, abbreviated as ETRSS-1, with the support from the Chinese government. A year later, Ethiopia launched the second China-backed satellite, abbreviated as EtSmart-RSS, from China's Wenchang spacecraft launch site. Despite the challenges, African countries have been introducing a number of ambitious initiatives to contain the rapid expansion of desertification. In 2007, the African Union launched the Great Green Wall Initiative with an aim of planting a wall of trees across Africa at the southern edge of the Sahara Desert.
Very important or relevant strategy to combat desertification and to ensure sustainable development in the countries. We need really technologies and also resources to develop the degraded landscape.